we are writing a program to check whether the number is divisible by one another number without remainder. So we are using two integers number. So to input the two integers number, input the number and convert it into integer using input functions. Then we now divide it using modulo signs to get the remainder. If the remainder is 0, it should give us yes, and else we should print out the remainder. So this will check any two given integer number whether it has remainder or not. If it has no remainder, it will say yes. If it has remainder, it will say no and give you the remainder. So modulo sign is a sign that is used to check, like 4 and 2 is 0. It will not give you remainder. So let's run it again. Like 12 and 3 will not give you remainder. Let's check 12 and 5 will give you remainder. 12 and 5. So the remainder is 2. By the time you divide 12 by 5, you have a remainder of 2.